Just look at the insane crisp in this. I promise, gang, after making bacon in the air fryer, you will never, ever, ever cook it another way. It comes out crispy, it doesn't stink up your kitchen, and I promise it's amazing. Coming up. Well, hey gang, I'm Shelly. I'm a registered dietitian specializing in weight loss following the keto, low carb, and anti-inflammatory lifestyle. I embraced this life about 5 years ago when I could not get rid of my last 15 pounds of baby weight. It's something I teach into my clinic to hundreds and hundreds of women. And if you're interested in this lifestyle, on this channel, I give you tips and strategies, so you're gonna wanna subscribe. And today, friends, we are making a bacon.
When it comes to bacon, be prepared.
9 years ago, I would have been the bad person who'd have said, girlfriend, no bacon for you. What? One slice of bacon has only about 5 grams of fat, so you can enjoy it even if you're not living the keto lifestyle. And gang, I pulled out the air fryer. It is so easy. It is so crispy.
Bacon.
One ingredient only, absolutely a zero prep. So I want you to zoom in here because I'm gonna show you exactly how it's done.
You are not going to believe how easy this is. We have our air fryer basket ready to go with our bacon, and we're simply just gonna lay it in the basket. Now, gang, you wanna remember, if you are looking for a nitrate-free bacon, you could definitely do Applegate. You could even do Hormel Natural. You could buy the bacon that's on sale. I am giving you free reign at this because we love bacon in here.
Procure as much bacon as humanly possible and hide it in as many locations as you can.
Now remember, the thicker the bacon is, the longer that you're gonna cook it in the air fryer. This is going to average about 12 to 15 minutes. This is a little bit more of a medium cut bacon. And once we have this deliciousness laid in our air fryer basket, now typically we could get 4 slices in this basket. We're gonna go ahead and throw it in our air fryer. We're gonna cook it for 7 minutes. We're gonna give it a little toss, and then we're gonna cook it approximately 7, maybe to 10 more minutes, again, depending on the thickness of that bacon.
I'm just sitting here eating the finished product. Now you can scroll below, gang. Let me know if you made bacon in the air fryer. And I know you're gonna wanna come on over here and click to see some more amazing air fryer recipes. Gang, I'm Shelly. I wish you all well. Mwah!
Bacon.